In smo spet nazaj na zmagovalni poti. Štajersko-prekmurski derbi v Ljudskem vrtu, 2 zadetka, oba v prvem polčasu in veliko zanimivih momentov. Tu so najzanimivejši.
Res je, zelo sem ponosen na fante, kako so odreagirali po izgubljeni tekmi proti Bravu, tako da vsa čast igralcem, ko so danes odigrali in mirno tekmo pripeljali do konca.
Yeah, I mean, obviously I'm happy that we won, but obviously we need to do more. We need to demand more from ourselves. We need to win at least 4-5. So the next opponents, when we're playing with them, they know that they are in for a big battle. But if we're just winning 1 and 2, obviously it's good to get the 3 point, but you need to send a message to the next opponent that we are there, like we're not playing or something. We need to demand more from ourselves. I think this is my opinion.